Welcome to Trickey's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy. Today, Trickey and her daughter will show you how to prepare a lemon and blueberry limoncello cake. These are the ingredients for the batter. The ingredients for the limoncello syrup. And lastly, the ingredients for the cream cheese frosting. Preparatory steps: grease and line 2 8-inch cake tins. Also preheat the oven to the temperature shown. Let's get on to the first step and prepare the cake batter. So add in the Stork margarine and the sugar to a large mixing bowl. Then whisk until light and creamy. Please note all the ingredients should be at room temperature. Now add in the eggs one at a time and whisk well after each addition. Add a tablespoon of flour if needed to avoid curdling. Then add in the wet ingredients, that's the vanilla extract, lemon extract and limoncello liqueur. Then sift in the dry ingredients, that's the self-raising flour, salt and baking powder. Now fold it in to combine. Add milk if required to achieve dropping consistency. With this, we have prepared the batter. Now spoon the mixture equally into the prepared tins. And level the tops. Then bake in a preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes or until done. In Trickey's case, it took exactly 20 minutes. Then remove from the oven when done. You will know the cake is done when the skewer inserted into the center of the cake comes out clean. Then loosen the sides and transfer onto a wire rack to cool completely. Now let's prepare the limoncello syrup. So add water and sugar to a cooking vessel. Place it on the fire and bring it to boil. Then add in the limoncello liqueur and stir well and set aside. With this, we have prepared the limoncello syrup. Now let's prepare the cream cheese frosting. So add in the double cream to a mixing bowl and whip until stiff. Then set aside. Then add in the cream cheese and the powdered sugar to another mixing bowl and whisk until smooth and creamy. Now add in the lemon zest, vanilla extract, limoncello liqueur and the mascarpone cheese. Gently fold it in until just combined. Now drop in the whipped cream that we have prepared and set aside and fold it into the cream cheese frosting until evenly mixed. Now slice a thin layer off the top of the first cake to create a flat surface. Try to cut off as little as possible to maintain the height of the cake, which should be at least 1 inch. Then brush the top with limoncello syrup. Now layer cream cheese frosting over the top. You can use as much or as little as desired. And evenly spread it all over using a palette knife. Then generously layer fresh blueberries all over the top and spread cream cheese frosting over it. Now slice a thin layer of the top of the second cake to create a flat surface. As before, try to cut off as little as possible to maintain the height of the cake. Then brush the top with limoncello syrup and spread a layer of lemon curd over the top. You can use as much or as little of the lemon curd as desired. Then place the second cake with the bottom side up over the first cake. And again, layer cream cheese frosting over the top. Now mark out 6 portions of the cake and decorate each portion with a lemon slice. Then pipe cream cheese frosting on either side of the lemon slices. Finish off by topping the cake with fresh blueberries. You can use your creativity to decorate as you wish. Then neatly cut the cake into 6 slices and transfer onto a serving tray. And enjoy with a hot cup of your favorite evening tea. And there you have it, simply irresistible lemon and blueberry limoncello cake. So thank you for stopping by. Do hope you will give this recipe a try. Have lots of fun in the process as you toy, and most of all, don't forget to enjoy. Trickey's Kitchen has lots of other delicious recipes that you would like to try out. So be sure to click on the video link on your screen right now and watch another video, and subscribe to Trickey's Kitchen if you haven't yet.